Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. So today we're going to be doing my Christmas home tour. I honestly put a lot of time and work into my home this year. I hope you guys really like it. The only areas in my home I didn't decorate were my bathroom. For some reason this year I just didn't. But that's okay. And I didn't do like my dining table or anything like that. I kept it pretty simple in the other areas in my house. So I really focused on my family room, my living room, and a little bit of my kitchen. I also did decorate my bedroom this year for Christmas. I'm gonna have a link up here so you guys can check that out, because I'm not gonna show it here on the tour because it's a mess and I already made an entire video dedicated on that. So you guys can totally check that out. But without any more ranting, let's go ahead and jump into the video. Okay guys, so the first thing you see is obviously my porch, and right here I just have this Be Merry sign that I got at Walmart, and this Christmas tree I kind of made. Well, I actually did make it. It was a huge DIY I did last year. I never posted a video on it, which I'm a little bit regretful of because it did turn out really pretty. This is how it looks like, and I actually got this DIY idea from Catherine from Do It On a Dime. She made this sometime last year. I'm gonna link her video in my description box below so you guys can learn how to make it yourself. It's all like everything. I think almost everything was from the Dollar Tree, and I made it. And these trees tend to go for a lot of money, and I was able to just make mine for like under 12 bucks. So this is just how it looks, very simple. I kind of wanted to do more out here, but honestly I didn't have the time this year. So that's just how it looks. And then here in my door, you open up and this is just our wreath. I'm sorry for the lighting, but the sun is very strong right now. And it's just this beautiful wreath I have. I kind of wish I had more reds in it. One thing I didn't want to do this year was buy a brand new wreath, because I'm buying wreaths almost every year and that could become very pricey. So I wanted to keep older wreaths I had. So I had this wreath and another one, and I kind of wish I would have used the other one that had some red in it, but this one will just have to work for us. And then when you walk into my house, the first thing you see is this Merry Christmas mat, but it's obviously looking the other way. This is what you see when you first come into the house. Then I have this little entryway here. So when you walk in, I have a closet here where we keep like jackets and shoes and stuff like that. Okay, and then here I'm just using the same greenery I've had for like every season. I am huge on keeping the same greenery because buying florals can be so expensive. So if you could buy neutral greenery, like just things you could use all year round and just add fillers in, I would just recommend doing that. But I just kept this one green, and this is how I keep it all year long. And then here my entryway table, I'm not going to get into a lot of details. I did get into a lot of details in my Clean and Decorate With Me video. I'm going to actually link it up here and in my description box so you guys can totally check it out. But basically I'm just going to kind of do a little run through and just quickly tell you guys where everything is from. I got this last year in the dollar section. I think it's from last year, I believe so. And it's just a red car with the Christmas tree inside, super cute. I got this gnome in TJ Maxx this year. This was probably my big splurge item. I paid full price for it at Target, but I really wanted a red truck and I just couldn't find one that I liked. So I ended up just, you know, doing it and buying it. But in my defense, I didn't spend a lot of money decorating this year, so I felt like it was justified. And then here, I always keep the same wreath, and I got these fillers from Hobby Lobby, and then these are from the Dollar Tree. So I just picked them out of like Dollar Tree flowers and put them there, and I didn't hot glue them, I just kind of stuck them in there because I wanted to be able to use this wreath all year round. Then I got this Merry Christmas sign from the Target Dollar Spot, and I think it was $3. And then these houses here I got from the Dollar Spot at Target, and then these Christmas trees, I believe they came in a big bundle from Hobby Lobby. I think I paid like $5 for like 10 Christmas trees, so that was a really good deal. And here I just have one of my Bath & Body Works candles burning, and then I got all of this greenery and berries and all that from the Hobby Lobby store, and they were 50% off. And I do get asked a lot where this is from. This is from Hobby Lobby as well. Down here I just have this sign there, and that's from Walmart. And then this Let Us Know is from the Goodwill that I got 3 years ago, and I still really like it, so I think I'm gonna keep it forever. I do get asked where I got this basket from with pillows. Those pillows are just pillows that I have around the house. And this basket is from, it's kind of like this store in Charlotte that they have. Vanessa took me, I can't remember the name, but it's like a farmhouse style store. Everything is like handmade and like really pretty and stuff and overly priced. But this basket was only like 13 bucks. So that's where I got it. And then moving along, I ended up moving these two things here because I just feel like it looked a little cluttered in my family room. So I did get this ladder from Target last year, and then I got this planter from TJ Maxx. It was on sale for I think $13. Then my plant is from Lowe's. And then I got this lamp about a year ago, and this fell and it broke the glass lamp. So I'm hoping to be able to find one because I really don't want to toss this out, but I haven't been able to find the replacement. So we just keep that out here. And then above here, I just have this clock that I got from Hobby Lobby. It was like really inexpensive. It was in their 90% off sale. And then I have these two like metal planters that I got at Hobby Lobby, and I know I paid 50% off for them. So I think they were like $7 a piece. And then I just added a ton of florals from, some were from last year, and then some were from the Target Dollar Spot, the green ones from the Target Dollar Spot that I bought for the springtime, so I just kept them. Then I added those red berries from Hobby Lobby. I think they were like 60 cents a strand. And then the rest is just from the Target Dollar Spot. So it was very inexpensive to make these. Then I added these red bows that I just had from like years, I don't know. So I just tied them in there. Then this is my couch. This couch was actually one of the first couches we ever got. And I have been told to put like a couch slip on it, but here's the bad thing about this couch is that these pillows do not come off. They are like literally attached to the couch, so there's not much I can do there. So I'm just gonna keep it, and I don't think we'll ever give it away or get rid of it because it is a pull-out couch, and if I ever buy a bigger house, I'll probably stick in like a guest room or the kids' playroom or something. I hate the color, but it's still a really good working couch. It's just, it doesn't go with my style right now, but I won't ever get rid of it. I don't think I would. These pillows, I got these at Target last year, and then I have had these white ones for like 3 years. They were from TJ Maxx, and then these pillows here are from the Target Dollar Spot, so they were $3 a piece. Then when you turn around here, this is what you see. And in this little bench, I just have some pillows there. They're all from Target. All these pillows are from Target. This pillow here, the one that says Be Merry, is like 5 years old or like 4 years old, and it's from the Target Dollar Spot. It's super old, and it's definitely very used, and it's not cute or anything, but I still wanted to use it. And then I got this throw blanket from Target, and then this basket here is from Hobby Lobby when they were having 90% off. And this is just where we like throw our shoes in when we go into the house, so we just throw everything in there. So I kind of invented this with Heather and my husband. It's just a huge garland, and we didn't know what to do with it, but it was so pretty, so we ended up wrapping it around the hooks I have here. And let me just say, that was a challenge. It was very hard. And then I had this Merry Christmas sign that I bought like 3 years ago from Target, and we just stuck it on there. And this garland was actually, I think I bought this from the Facebook Marketplace like 2 years ago. And my idea was to put it in my fireplace, but it was still way too big and it just didn't look good. So I ended up just wrapping it on here, and I really like how it turned out. Up here, I just have a candle. It's not burning or anything. I just kind of keep it up there because I'm afraid to let it burn so high up. So whenever I want to burn it, I actually just bring it down, but I just have it there just to find a place for it. Then I got that gnome from TJ Maxx, and that sign back there, I keep it all year round, and that is from Hobby Lobby. I got this sign from Target about 2 years ago. It says, "Welcome to our crazy, loud, dysfunctional, fun, happy home." And then right here, I just have more of those Christmas trees I got at the Hobby Lobby. And again, I bought like a pack of 10 for like $5. Moving along into my family room, I'm actually gonna turn this on. Okay, so this is the reality of how it looks. I didn't try to make this look any specific way. I have kids, and at the end of the day, my home is surrounded by my family, and I kind of want it to look like it's lived in. So it doesn't look perfect. So I'm not gonna get into a lot of details here. This is just like my all year round home decor. The only thing I changed out was the picture here, and this was the picture the kids took with Santa last year. Then here I got these Christmas trees at the Hobby Lobby this year. They were only $2.50 a piece. I kind of want to get some twinkle lights to put around them. I'm not sure yet. And then I just have my diffuser here from Young Living that was sent to me. Okay, so right here I just have a ton of the kids' toys in there. My kids have a playroom, but at the end of the day they really enjoy like playing in the living room where we're watching movies or something. So I don't mind keeping that there. And then here's just a ton of books that we read to them. Again, I don't mind keeping it there. I know some people may be a little bit more organized, but I don't mind having books and stuff like that that my kids enjoy reading. Then I have this sign that I got last year. We haven't used it yet, but we're not at 25 days or less to Christmas. So once we get to 25 days or less, then we'll start circling them. Then I have the stockings up here. These stockings are from Target, and there's D for Dad, M for Mom, and E for Ethan, and E for Amelia. I kind of wish I would have just gotten our name and initials on them, but it's fine. My kids know us by Mom and Dad. They don't even know our names. And then up here, I just have these things here. This is like a photo. It's like one of those things you connect and it just plays the pictures for you, but we haven't really used it. It was given to us though. But we haven't used it yet. We have to like put pictures in there, but we want to. And then we got this from Columbia. It's just like a key holder, but we don't really use it for that, so we just kind of keep it as a display. Then I have this sign from Hobby Lobby, and then this fa la 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 sign from Target. And here's my husband's PlayStation that I wish didn't go here, but we have no choice. And I haven't actually looked how many days till Christmas, but that's just a random number I put there. I need to figure it out. So I have this from like 2 years ago. It is super beaten up, but we don't care. We like it, and I'm not gonna buy another one. So we're gonna keep it till it literally dies on us. Then we have letters for Santa Claus. I got this last year at TJ Maxx. Then we have this for the kids to write to Santa, and I just kind of have it next to it so I don't like lose it or anything. And then this is our couch. I kind of wanted to keep a minimal look to it. I didn't want a lot going on in here because we spent a lot of time here, and then the more stuff you have in here, the messier it's gonna get, because we all know we don't really sit in a couch with all those pillows. Like, we have to move that out of the way to be able to sit. So this throw is from Target. I actually got it on Black Friday for only $10, and it's like a Sherpa material. It is super warm and comfortable. And then these pillows I got last year at Target, and I'm just gonna keep them. This pillow is from the Hearth and Hand line at Target, and I think I only paid like $7 for it. It was on sale. And then this is a pillow I get asked a lot where I got it, and we got it from a small store in Charlotte. It's called Altered something. I can't think right now. If I figure it out, I'm just gonna leave the name right here. But yeah, that's where I got it. And my couch is from IKEA because I do get asked a lot where my couch is from. So here I have this. This is from Target, and then this candle holder is also from Target. And then I have a candle in there burning. And then here is our Christmas tree, which looks like literal crap, but it's okay because I let my kids take full control over it. Ethan wanted to put this really small, dumb looking ribbon on there, and he did, which was fine with me. And then we just have ornaments everywhere, and I literally let my kids just take control over it. I think I stuck some of these flowers in there just to make it look cuter, but as you can tell, there's a lot of balls missing in the bottom. But you know what? It's perfect because my kids made it, and I wouldn't have it any other way. So got these ornaments for them last year, and we actually have to go buy our ornaments for this year. But yeah, this is how my Christmas tree looks. And then I got the Christmas skirt from Hearth and Hand last year. Then I have this lamp here that is also from Target. I believe it was on like some kind of sale. I think it was like 40 or 50% off or something. I didn't pay full price for it. So here I have these wreaths that I keep all year round, and all I did was add these bows to them just to give them a little bit more of a Christmas feel, but I didn't want to buy wreaths this year for Christmas. And here in this chair, I just have that pillow from Target, and then, yeah, both pillows are from Target. And the one with the truck is from the dollar spot. And then here I just have this Noel sign, and I have these fillers from the Hobby Lobby. And yeah, that's how this looks here. It's just gonna be you and me. Hey, by the fire, is this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories. I've been longing to hold you close.
Christmas memories.
Now, when you come into my kitchen, there's not a lot going on. I actually kept it pretty minimal this year for Christmas. So here I just have this sleigh that I had from last year, and it has one of my Ray Dunn cheese platters on there, and then like a Christmas tree, and then I have this Christmas tree tray that I have like from like 2 years ago, and I just put one of my Mrs. Meyer's peppermint candles on there. Then I have this sign here from the Target dollar spot, and then I have my Ray Dunn canisters, and all I did was add these bows or these things from Hobby Lobby. Yeah, that's where I got them. And they came in a pack of 6, so that's where I got that. And I'm missing the lid for this one. It broke, so I need to find the lid for my flower canister.
Spend this day with you.
Okay guys, this is where my sink is. Right now I'm just keeping this here. I'm keeping it pretty simple. These are my Mrs. Meyer's peppermint scents. So I have my multi-surface scent, my dish soap, my hand soap, and my hand lotion. If you guys are interested in getting them and getting a 5 free gift set, you guys could use My Grove Collaborative link in my description box below. I'm not going to get into a lot of it, but you guys could get this for free if you wanted to. Then here is my hot cocoa station. I have an entire video dedicated on this. I'm not going to get into a lot of detail on it. My husband put the keys there, but they don't go there. But yeah, I'm gonna link the video up here as well so you guys can check it out. But we've been loving our hot cocoa bar. Okay, then up here I just have this here. I'm missing a mug because I was drinking something, but I decorated it up here, and everything up here is from Target except the fillers. They are from Hobby Lobby, and the beads are from Hobby Lobby as well. So that's what it looks like. So yeah, that's basically it. So beautiful, kissing on a mistletoe, baby, with you. And if anyone was wondering, this is from Hobby Lobby where I store my mugs in. And again, I'm missing a mug, which is kind of annoying, but it is what it is. Okay, you guys, that is the end of this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Let me know if you guys decorated your house for Christmas this year, what theme you were going for, and yeah, let me know in the comments, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!
Ooh. And in a while we're gonna go inside and drink our chocolate by the fire. 'Cause all I want is to spend this day with you. Let me give you a Christmas moment.